Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of Microsoft Excel 2010 VBA Programming for Beginners. In the previous video, what we did is we created a command button right here where we showed some code on how to read data in column A starting with row number 2. And what we did is we created a loop so that it reads every single line until the last name data, which is in column A, is equal to nothing, which meaning that it's blank. Now in this video we're going to take it one step further. What we want to do is find the first cell that is a certain length, specifically in column A, but we're going to be going row by row. So we're just going to modify this code. The code's pretty much going to stay the same. The only thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove this message box, last name data. And what we're going to do is create another variable. We're going to say length of cell is equal to, and we're going to use the len function, which is length, a built-in VBA function, and we're going to put last name data. And just for right now, so we can show you what this is doing, we're going to put message box length of cell ampersand, let's do a double quote, space, hyphen, space, double quote, another ampersand, and we're going to show you the last name data. And all I'm going to do is put if row number is equal to 2, actually I'll put 3, then exit sub. All I'm doing here is saying that once we reach row 3, we're just going to close everything out. So let me go on and play this code out. I'm going to toggle back to my workbook, take us out of design mode, and then hit read data. So now we get 8, which is for the length of that last name, 10, and then that should be it. And so all we're going to do here on this next piece is we're going to create an if statement where it says if the length is a certain condition, then we're going to display a message to the user. So we're going to modify this out, and we're going to put if length of the cell is equal to, let's just say 15 characters, then I should just put 15. My mistake. If length of cell is equal to 15, then I'm going to erase my previous code. We're going to put message box in row, and then we're going to do a close quotes. We're going to put and row number, another ampersand, open quote, put a comma. We found a last name that has 15 characters. And then let's just close it out, exit sub. Here we wrote an if statement, and when you write an if statement, everything that you put after the then statement down to end if, all of that code is executed when this condition is met. Length of cell is equal to 15. So let's try this out, and let's see if we can find any last names that are 15 characters in length. So I'm going to go back to my Visual Basic, my Microsoft Excel environment, take us out of design mode and click read data. And it says in row 137 we found a last name that has 15 characters. So let's confirm that. I'm going to go to my Excel and type in A137, and sure enough, if we were to count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we found the first row that has 15 characters. Well, I should say the first cell in column A, but row 137, that meets 15 characters, or the criteria that we met. I hope you enjoyed this video. This now concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to show how to find the first cell that does not contain a certain string. So to do that, I'll probably be working with column D, so we're going to be changing things around a bit. Thank you for watching, guys.